100,000 birds moving as one perfect shape. And nobody is in charge. At dusk, thousands of starlings pour into the sky and begin to dance, swooping, swirling, folding into one enormous breathing shape. So how do they do that at full speed without ever crashing into each other? Your first instinct is obvious. Somewhere in there, surely, a leader bird must be calling the moves. But there isn't one. No leader. No plan. Not a single bird is in charge of anything. Instead, every starling is just following a few absurdly simple rules, and it only ever pays attention to the handful of birds right next to it. Rule 1. Stay close. Drift towards the birds nearest you. Rule 2. Match. Point the same way and fly the same speed as your neighbours. And Rule 3. Don't crash. Never let anyone get too close. That's the whole recipe. 3 tiny rules, run by every bird at the same time. And out of that, with nobody designing it, the entire swirling shape simply appears. That's called emergence. And here's the detail that makes it work. Each bird keeps track of exactly 7 neighbours, and only 7, no matter how far away the rest of the enormous flock is. Because everyone is locked to their 7, a single bird's turn ripples outward across the entire flock in a fraction of a second, like a wave travelling through water. Which means 100,000 birds can react as if they share a single mind, one bird feeling almost instantly what's happening right across the sky. And there is a deadly reason they bother. A peregrine falcon, the fastest animal on Earth, but in a churning mass of thousands, it simply cannot lock onto any single target. There is safety in the swarm. And it's not just birds. The very same hidden maths drives schooling fish, swarming bees, even moving human crowds. Simple parts, following simple rules, building something none of them could ever plan. So a murmuration isn't choreographed, and it isn't led. It's thousands of tiny, selfish, simple decisions. Stay close, match, don't crash, adding up to something far bigger and more beautiful than any single bird could picture. So that breathtaking shape, rolling across the evening sky in flawless unison, it's 100,000 birds, each one just frantically trying not to bump into the 7 strangers nearest it. If huge things built from tiny simple rules is your sort of thing, the next one shrinks all the way back to one body and one feeling, on why your face betrays you and goes bright red completely against your will. Same channel, same nervous little man.